Welcome to Takeover. In this video we will show you how to make a deposit in Takeover. The deposit we have made for the example is 1 Bitcoin. As you can see, the system indicates that you send an amount greater than 1 Bitcoin. Those are the fees that the Bitcoin network charges for the transaction. The amount of Bitcoin network fees is variable depending on when the transaction is made and does not depend on Takeover. Once the Bitcoin network verifies the transaction, a Bitcoin appears in our deposit wallet. To make the investment, we must transfer from our deposit wallet to the investment that we want to make, as we will see in the next video. Thank you for choosing Takeover.